Mickey Walker with XPOWER Manufacturer, and I'm here to talk to you about the many uses of a ULV cold fogger. This multi-purpose disinfecting tool can do so much more than help you with just your sanitization needs. So whether you're in pest control, gardening, or an AG farmer, you're going to find plenty of uses for this versatile tool. Eliminate common problems like odors and pests. Keep mosquitoes at bay in your backyard and garden. Easily apply solutions to your greenhouse plants. Treat your barns, your stables, wherever you need coverage. The ULV fogger is your go-to tool. The advantage of a ULV cold fogger is that it treats the entire space rather than just the surface. It does so quickly and efficiently. By turning a liquid solution into a fine mist, you'll achieve maximum coverage with minimum solution effectively reaching hard-to-reach areas, saving both time and money. Whether your use is wide area disinfection, odor removal, pest control, garden treatments, whatever it is, you'll love the efficiency and versatility of an XPOWER fogger. This lightweight portable powerhouse comes in a variety of sizes, both corded and battery powered, for all your fogging needs. An XPOWER ULV cold fogger is a great choice for businesses, classrooms, greenhouses, gardens, backyards, barns, farms, and more. So drop that traditional sprayer and enjoy the benefits of a ULV cold fogger from XPOWER. Visit us at xpower.com and find the fogger that's right for you.